Winter driving can be challenging, especially when icy roads come into play. In this week's Drive Smart campaign video, we're focusing on how to handle icy roads safely, helping you stay in control when conditions are at their worst. First, reduce your speed. Icy roads can be unpredictable, and slower speeds give you more time to react. Remember, your vehicle's stopping distance increases significantly on ice, so it's crucial to maintain a safe following distance from the car in front of you. When braking, do it gently. Sudden or harsh braking can cause your wheels to lock up, leading to a dangerous skid. Instead, apply the brakes smoothly and steadily. If you start to skid, don't panic. Steer gently into the skid and avoid overcorrecting. Turning on icy roads also requires care. Slow down well before the turn and keep your steering movements gentle to maintain traction. Quick or sharp turns can easily cause a loss of control. Finally, always be alert to changing road conditions. Black ice can be nearly invisible, so if the temperature is near freezing, assume that any wet-looking section of road could be icy. Stay tuned as we continue our Drive Smart campaign, bringing you more tips to navigate the unique challenges of winter driving. Remember, when you drive smart, you drive safe.